Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the 3D photo trend on TikTok. So basically you're just going to make a 3D photo and then you can throw it together with the music in something like iMovie. Okay, so you're going to want to get this app Loopsie, and for some reason this app doesn't let you screen record, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it and hopefully this will work. So once it's open, it's going to have you do a bunch of things. You're going to press continue, except when you get to this screen. Unless you want to buy the premium version, then you want to hit X. If you don't want something like this over your photo, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down until you see create from scratch. You're going to click on create from scratch, then you're going to select the photo that you want to make 3D. Okay, now that it's finally loaded, you can tap to change the focus. I don't know why you do that. It's not letting me screen record it, so once you have the photo you desire, press export, then press finish, and it should be in your photos. Anyway, thank you for watching today's video. Do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.